First, open the Reddit app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store and install it today. Once you're in the app, locate and tap the Sign Up button on the main screen. Next, enter your email address. Ensure it's active, as you'll need it for verification. Then, create a unique username. Choose something memorable but also private. After that, set a strong password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, tap Create Account to complete your registration. You're now ready to explore Reddit. Once registered, take a moment to personalize your profile and interests. Explore different subreddits by searching topics that intrigue you. There's something for everyone. Join discussions and engage with posts by voting and commenting. Your voice matters. Remember to follow the community rules of each subreddit to ensure enjoyment for all. Keep scrolling to discover new content and trends that pique your curiosity. Now, you're all set to enjoy Reddit. Happy browsing!